Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you about what are the important questions for Karnataka about 12th physics. Important questions I'm going to tell you depending upon the last year 2022 question paper. So if in part A, if you see, you should take 10 marks, right? 10 marks you should take. Each question carries 1 mark. So for 10 marks, each question carries 1 mark, you will get 10 marks, right? In this, the most of the questions they may ask is state Ohm's law, like these questions, statement questions they may ask, explain question they may ask, or define electric dipole moment. This is also an important question. And name the apparatus used to detect electric charge on a current. These are the important questions they may ask. These three are most important. The chances are more that these questions will ask always in every year exam. And leaving that, if you see, these or it may also change, but on that chapter only they will ask. So these questions mention significance of Lenz's law, and this define the magnetic declination at the place on the earth. So these are the questions they may ask in this year also. Chances are there. Leaving that, see this, draw the logic symbol of AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate. Any one they may ask for 1 mark, or any other marks question also they may ask. Chances are there. Next, examples of element of dipole. And this 10th question, name the types of electromagnetic rays lying between ultraviolet and gamma rays. These are the questions they may ask this year. Also chances are there, we cannot say. Leaving that, if you see part B, 5 marks, 2 questions, 5 questions, 2 marks, 10 marks you will get, right? Here if you see polar and non-polar molecules also they may ask question, difference between polar and non-polar, this they may ask. And this resistivity with absolute temperature is a little bit out. Uses of polarides also they may ask this here, or this displacement current, and this one, these chances are there. Leaving that, other questions little bit it is also doubt, they may also not ask. If you come to part C, here 5 questions, 3 marks, 15 marks you have to take, right? Here C, mention the 3 factors on which the capacitance, this is also an important question. And 27, this is also important question. They may ask, it's asked for many times. And property of ferromagnet and other magnetic substance also, anyone they may ask anything. And also advantages of eddy current, these are the chances are there. And postulates of Bohr's model, this they may ask for any question, like 2 marks also they may ask, or for 5 marks in sub question also they may ask, so it can also vary. And intrinsic and extrinsic, this is also an important question. This is also any in any question they may ask for 2, 5 or 3 mark question again also. And here if you see 3 sources of actual energy loss in actual transformer, this is also an important question. They may ask for any marks, like 2 marks also they may ask. In last year they have asked for 3 marks, but in this year any question in any marks they can ask, like 2 marks also they can ask, or in 5 marks sub question also they may ask again for 3 marks, so chances are there. Leaving that, mass defect and this binding energy of nucleus, relationship also they may ask. Doing that, it is told that Huygens principle and two reasons to show the calorimeter. As such, it cannot be used as a meter. But chances are there that they can ask you the method of converting galvanometer into ammeter. These questions they may ask for any marks, like 2 marks also they can ask. Chances are there, as it is an important question. Next is part if you see here, two questions I have to take, 5 marks each question, 10 marks will get. Okay, so write the electric field and its four general properties of electric field. So what is electric field and its general property? This also it can they can ask. And Kirchhoff's law is the most important question. In many exams they have Kirchhoff's law. You have to write the expression balanced condition of Wheatstone bridge. So this question also they have asked in many exams, means in many years they have asked, sorry. Okay, so this is also an important question. Next is so here it is not there. Next is again 2 marks, 5 marks in this they have given. If you see here these all the questions are important. Show the current lags the voltage of pi by 2 in an AC current containing a pure inductor. Draw the phasor diagram for it. This is also important question. And derive lens maker's formula for the convex lens is also important. And define photoelectric work function and write the 4 experimental observation of the photoelectric effects is also important. And 43rd one, what is a rectifier and its suitable? So this is also important. So in this anything they may ask for this 5 mark question, like fourth main they may ask, or for fifth main also this question they may ask. So P2 injection also they may ask, full wavelength or half wavelength. In anyone they can ask, anything they can ask, so be careful. In some we cannot say which some they may ask, you have to read all the sums. But Young's double modulus, it is also an important one. This is also chance of here in years they have asked on this Young's modulus formula. Leaving that electric field dipole, these formulas also they have asked, so these are the basic formulas you have to learn. So if you see here, let me talk about the fast that is. So as you know, 10 into 1 is equal to 10, that is 1 mark question. Okay, then here 5 into 3, 15. So 5 into that is 10, and also as you know here 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 2 that is also 10, and this last here sum 5 into 3 means 3 question you write, 5 marks will get, you will get 15 marks. Okay, so if you solve these problems you'll get, if you solve 3 problems correctly you'll get 5 marks, for each problem 15 marks you'll get, right? So finally 5, so 3 into 5, 15 you will get, right? Okay, so here so here is the correct, right, for 70. In this, in 1 mark, let us say, as I said, that important questions, if you write 5, or let us take 3, okay, 5 or 3 questions, okay, if you have written 5 or 3 questions, correct answer let us take, if you have written, here you got 3 marks, right? Next in 2 marks they will be asking easy questions. So Study materials what you are using, read it only 2 marks. You can get easily 10 marks. Let us take here some. If you score 6 marks, easy questions. If you attend and if you score 6 marks, here you will get 6 marks. And in 3 marks, as I said, many of the easy questions are there. So here you can try for 10 marks. So if you try for 10 marks, easy question means this 1 marks, it is difficult to say that from this chapter only they can give. But 6, 3, 3 marks, 2 marks, and this 5 marks. This you can say because they, as I showed here, many of the questions they have asked for 3 marks, but it can also be asked this year for 2 marks, or also it can be asked in 5 marks as sub question. Also, they can means in 5 marks that question they may ask. So read all 5 2 marks 3 marks questions, so it will be helpful for you. Study material what you are using in that 5 marks what all they are given. 1 marks it is difficult to guess that this question may come, but in the 10 marks means, or in 2 marks 3 marks and 5 marks your teachers may have said these are the important question. You read it, you can definitely get passing marks. Now let us take it here. You should score 10 marks. You can score 10 marks. Here only 19 marks. Passing marks is 21, right? Okay. Passing marks is 21. In 5 marks, as I said, it is easy. So here let us take one correct question. Means in 4 question, one see here. As you can see, here one easy question, that is Kirchhoff's law they have given in these 5 marks. If you write this correct question, correct answer, you will get 5 marks, right? You will get 5 marks. This Kirchhoff's law if you write correct answer. So let us take one 5 marks correct. Which one correct 5 marks you know that you attend? Okay, 5 marks. Which 5 marks one you know that correct 5 marks means full answer I know that you attend. Okay, here you will get 5 marks. Okay, another one, any choice. If you know little bit, I know half, attend, you will get 2 marks, or anything. Let us leave it for now. Which one you know means you one 5 marks. I know this 5 marks. Attend that 5 marks. You will get 5 marks here. And 10 marks. As you saw here, all are easy questions here. 10 marks. All are easy questions they have given here. Rectifiers, photoelectric work done, and therefore experiments, lens maker's formula. In any of these, if you have chosen this and this easy questions, you will get 10 marks. Rectifiers and lens maker's formula, if you have chosen, you will get 10 marks easily. So let us keep it here also. One easy question you choose and write it off. Okay, so one easy question if you choose and you write it off, 5 marks first. Okay, another, if you know that this is the full answer, I know this answer, write that also, no problem. Okay, so let us keep it here. You want first 5 marks. Okay, 5 marks first you want. Another, how much you know, you write it off. Okay, here 5, here 5. In 3 marks, let us take it as not 10, let us take it as some 7 or 8 marks. Okay, 8 marks you have got. Some mistakes you have done, leave it off. Okay, 8 marks you have got. Here 8 marks. In sum, how much you know? Take any of the 3 sum, how much you know. For 15, let us take here also you have scored 5 to 6 marks. Okay, so how much it happened? A 6, 3, 9 plus 8, that is 17. Here 27, and here 5 to 6. Let us take it as 31 to 33. So you are passed and you got 33 marks or 32 marks. So here only you can pass and you see 32 marks you have got, means you got first class marks. If you got in 30 in the practical exam, you get first class marks. So in physics you can practice like this. You can work on 10 marks, means 5 marks, and also in 3 and 2 marks also you know which questions they may ask. On that you can work out, like in 2 marks as I shown here, repeated questions, and also many of the questions are there that they can ask. So if you practice on that, you can get a score here for 15, 10 also you can score, or 15 out of 15 also you can here you can score, and 10 also you can score in 2 marks. So passing marks you can score easily if you study physics, what all the important questions that your teachers have heard in your college. So this was the idea for passing marks. This much if you marks like this, if you plan, you can pass definitely. You get 32 marks as I shown here. So okay friends, so if this video was helpful to you, give a like to this video. And this is, as I said, it is Karnataka board 12th physics question paper. I have said you what all the questions, important questions that can also repeat this year, and also some of the other questions that if your teachers may have said that this is also important question, study that also. It can also come, we cannot say that this one only will come. That is also important question if your teachers has said that is also important question. Read that also for 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. More chances are there these questions only can come for interchange, or some other questions are there like 5 marks, that also it may come. Leaving that, I had said how passing marks in this video, and this is Karnataka about 12th physics question paper last year's. I have said what are the important question. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please give a like and also share my video with your friends so that it may be helpful to your friends also. So okay friends, I'll see you in my next video. Till then take care. Have a nice day. Bye my dear friends.